I would like to begin. I'd like to begin by thanking you, Mr. President. I have no doubt in my mind we require a person of your stature, your character, and your conviction to make today's session possible. Thank you. The Ummah and the people are ordinary citizens who believe in human rights, who believe in universal values, have admired the leadership that you've shown. I want to thank you on behalf of my government and the people of Pakistan. I also want to thank Prince Faisal, you and the leadership you and Saudi Arabia has shown in convening an emergent session of the OIC Foreign Ministers. It set the tone for this session. And thank you for providing the leadership and steering the discussion that took place. Undoubtedly, the place that you enjoy in the Ummah is unique. You're the custodians of the two holy mosques, and Muslims all over the world look up to you for providing the leadership that you have demonstrated recently. I would also want to agree with my dear brother, the Foreign Minister of Algeria. This question, colleagues, is no longer, in my view, a question of Al-Aqsa or the Palestinian question. It is increasingly becoming an internal problem. I'm here because the people of Pakistan expect me to be here. I'm here because I see the sentiment on the streets of Pakistan, and they expect the leadership to go and send a message of solidarity. Mr. President, tomorrow, thank you for giving us, Brother Marki, the good news of ceasefire, inshallah, tonight. That's good news. And I think the immediate objective of this session has been achieved. The immediate objective was ceasefire and cessation of hostilities. So thank you everyone who took out time to fly to New York to demonstrate to your people and to the Muslims of the world that you care. Your seriousness has very clearly been reflected in the outcome of today's session. It's an ongoing session, as you said. It will continue till Tuesday, but the objective, if it's true, has been achieved. And I agree with you. Where do we go from here? Ceasefire is a welcome step forward, but resolution of the problem is what is required. If things remain simmering, they will resurface. It's a question of time. We have to find a permanent solution. And this can only happen if we forge unity amongst ourselves. That is the message that the people want to hear. Muslims all over the world want to hear. Is the leadership of the Ummah up to the task? Are they understanding the pulse of the people on the streets? And believe you me, if we do not respond, the street will overtake us. The street will overtake us. And we will no longer remain leaders. we will become followers. And the question is, are we willing to show and demonstrate that leadership that is expected of us? So I agree, my brother, it is increasingly becoming an internal problem. Before coming here, there was a debate in the National Assembly of Pakistan. And every democracy is divided. There are dissenting views in every democracy, understandably. But on this issue, my brothers, everybody spoke with one voice. And I carry with me that unanimous resolution that I want to share with you. And that is the resolution of a sovereign parliament which enjoys the mandate of the people of Pakistan. Not a single party, not a single leader, not a single institution is in disagreement with this unanimous resolution. That is the direction the people of Pakistan are pointing towards. And I am answering their call to be here. So thank you for giving us the opportunity to express ourselves. And thank you, Mr. President, for providing the leadership. My last comment. My dear Foreign Minister of Palestine, one feels for you. One cares for you. And my care that I express, I inherited this from the founder of my country, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He gave us a direction, and we have never wavered from that direction. And inshallah, we will continue to stand by you. We will continue to shoulder, your responsibilities and raise our voice for you. Because we believe it. We are doing it out of conviction. There is no quid pro quo here. We want nothing from you. We believe in your cause, and that is why I'm here, to support that cause, because yours is a just cause. God be with you.